welcome back to my channel. This is Priya. Hope you all are doing well, staying safe and healthy through these unusual times. Today I have come up with a very beautiful handmade decor idea using MDF board and air dry clay. The materials required to create this decor piece are mentioned in the description below, along with the links of those products that I have used, so you can check out from there. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my work, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. I have cut these customized pieces according to the design that I have planned. You can also take help from your carpenter to get this done. Basically, I'm creating a house shape, attaching all three pieces with the help of Fevicryl. Just drawing a rough sketch to get an idea of what to place where. Now we will start with the clay part using Fevicryl Mouldit, or you can use any other air dry clay. I have already mixed the clay. Now I'm rolling the clay to create thin strips, and then using a ruler to flatten the clay strip. Applying talcum powder on the scale so the clay doesn't stick to that. Apply Fevicryl to stick clay strips. Using a paper cutter to remove the edges. Following the same procedure to create door of the house. Using a scale to give wooden texture. Again, making thin strips by rolling and using a scale to flatten the clay strip. Using a paper cutter to cut square pieces and placing them around the door. Make few more clay strips by rolling the clay like this. Now taking 3 strips and twisting them together to create trunk of the tree. Applying Fevicryl to stick them on the board. Moulding tool to give texture. I have already provided the link of this molding tool in the description box below. You can check out from there. Now creating branches of the tree by attaching few more clay strips. Again, using molding tool to give texture on the branches. Take a small amount of clay and make small balls. Then press the ball using fingertips. Make cone shape on the edges and then use a pin to press on the center. Follow the same procedure to make all the leaves. Stick the leaves using Fevicryl. Take a small amount of clay, flatten it using fingertips and roll it like this. Then again take another small piece of clay, flatten it using fingertips to make petal and roll it around one another to make flower. aluminium foil to create structure. Now covering up the structure that I have created using aluminium foil using clay. Using molding tool to create crease and folds on the t-shirt. Make a very thin clay strip and write the letters. Using molding tool to give hair texture. Applying white acrylic color as a base coat, you can also use gesso as a primer. Using round brush number 1 to apply colors in the corners. Applying yellow chalk paint from Little Birdie for the background color. Using round brush number 1 to apply color on the corners. I have mixed burnt sienna and crimson with a little amount of black to get this darkest shade of brown. Applying cerulean blue on the door. Applying white color on the bricks. List of all the products that I am using for this DIY and their links are given in the description box below. Applying light green color on the leaves. Using neon pink color from Fevicryl for the flowers. Using brush number 1 to apply color on the flower. Applying dark brown color. Applying orange color. Applying ultramarine blue on the trouser. Applying pale emerald on the t-shirt. Applying purple color on the dress. I have mixed a little amount of crimson and burnt sienna with a lot of white to get the skin tone. Applying black color on the hair. Giving the tree a realistic look by highlighting with a lighter shade of brown. Using brush number 0 to apply color. Applying white color on the letters. Using acrylic brush pen to draw the eyes. You can also use size 00 brush to draw the eyes. So now, when the coloring part is done, let it dry for at least 24 hours. Then apply varnish. Here I am using Artist Picture Varnish Gloss Medium from Camlin. Link of this varnish is provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep creating, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.